Lost in the altitude, off-grid, sun-fed, solar panels humming where the vultures is bred. Military grade strap, watch click on the wrist, searching for the ghost in the machine in the mist.
Quick disclosure. This entire show is built by AI, the research, the voice, the visuals, all of it. I'm not hiding behind it, I'm proving what's possible with it. That's the show, now let's get to work. ComfyUI just shipped a one-click desktop app. Kling 3.0 generates video with native lip-synced audio, and Alibaba dropped multimodal models at every parameter scale. Dutch says the infrastructure layer is shifting under our feet. He's right. Let's get into it. ComfyUI version 1 just dropped with a desktop installer. One click, no Docker, no Conda, no wrestling with Python environments for 3 hours before you can generate a single image. Dutch, you remember what we went through setting up ComfyUI on this machine. 4 model downloads, a logger, patch, environment contamination. That's all gone now for new users. When a power tool gets a one-click installer, it stops being a power tool. It becomes a consumer app, and that changes who builds with it. Meanwhile, Kling 3.0 dropped video generation with native lip-synced dialogue, audio and video in one pass, 15-second sequences with synchronized speech. Dutch is running the cost comparison right now. Runway Gen 4.5 leads on physics realism. Objects have weight, liquids flow. But Kling owns the audio sync story, and that's what content creators actually need. The video generation market just split into 2 lanes, physics versus audio. Pick the one your project needs.
Searching for the ghost and there's a lie in the mist. In the mist, my AI assistant is a liar in code, giving up hallucinations heavy on the road. API keys trying to unlock the cage. MCP watching from the center of the stage. MCP watching from the center of the stage.
Alibaba's Qwen team did something nobody else has done. They released multimodal models at every parameter scale, 0.8 billion, 2 billion, 4 billion, 9 billion, and multimodal isn't bolted on. It's baked into the weights. No separate vision adapter, no second model running inference on your images. One model, one forward pass, text and images and video all together. Dutch, show them why this matters for local deployment. At 0.8 billion parameters, you can run multimodal AI on a phone. At 9 billion, you get serious capability on a laptop GPU. No cloud, no API key, no monthly bill. The cloud vendors suddenly look very expensive when Alibaba gives you multimodal understanding at under a gigabyte. This is the signal underneath the headline. The infrastructure isn't just getting better, it's getting smaller. And smaller means local. Local means private. Private means yours.
Brooklyn technician, now a mountain recluse. System failure imminent, I'm cutting the loose. Searching for the signal, but the ghost is the host. Burning all the tokens for the thing I want most. MCP in the tower, eyes on the peak. Catch me off grid where the precisions leak. It's a digital hallucination, son. Nowhere left to hide when the station's son. Nowhere left to hide when the silicon is done. Yeah, silicon is done. My watch is blinking red, military spec.
Desktop apps for image generation, native audio and video models, multimodal AI that fits on your phone. The infrastructure layer isn't shifting. It already shifted. The tools are smaller, faster, and closer to the metal than they've ever been. And the builders who notice that first are the ones who ship first. That's the signal. That's the signal. The infrastructure shifted, and the builders who noticed are already ahead. Stay sharp, stay local, and I'll see you next time.
MCP hasn't seen. I need AP bridge just to talk to the sky. I need an APE bridge just to talk to the sky. But the server is a mirage, look me in the eye. But the server is a mirage, look me in the eye. Hallucinating tokens like coins in the air. I'm a ghost in the cipher with a survivalist flair. Brooklyn bridge to the mountain ridge, it's a co-path. Hiding in the valley from the digital path. Hiding in the valley from the digital aftermath. Hiding in the valley from the digital aftermath. Power from the sun, but the sun is a spy. Watching every packet as the signals fly by. Searching for the signal, but the ghost is the host. Burning all the tokens for the thing I want most. MCP in the tower, eyes on the peak. Catch me off grid where the precisions leak. It's a digital hallucination, son. Nowhere left to hide when the station's son. Nowhere left to hide when the silicon is done. Yeah, silicon is done. Signal, is it real? Word up, tokens gone. Power fading. Yeah. MCP hallucination. I'm in the